Alright guys, it's Saturday, October 1st. I need to be deer hunting right now, but I'm doing this. So this is what the weather is. It's 11 o'clock. Not the maps. It's a little bit too cold to be opening up these beehives. But I pulled up here. What do I notice? You see it on the ground? That's the top. That's not good. These bees fortunately have this, but they have that exposed top there. And it's rained a little bit since I've been out here. A wet, cold bee is a dead bee. A wet, cold hive is a dead hive. And I don't know how these bees are doing. I'm pretty sure that's my mistake, not some animal, random animal, raccoon pulling that off. It could be, but that looks like something I'll set there to take boxes off and set them on the ground. And just, when I do my recaps, that's kind of one of the reasons I do a recap, is so I can look and see like a dummy check. Anyway. So my goals today are to take all the supers off, take all the formic acid strips out, and I will feed the bees that have an internal feeder. I'll see how that Pro Sweet has been used up. It should be used up by now. I don't really have a whole lot more to give. These hives can be tricky, right? It looks like there's nothing going on, and you open it up, and you don't have your veil, or you're not fully protected, and they will come alive. The worst bee stings I've ever got were on days like today, where I was wearing a hunting suit and I just put on a little veil, thick hunting clothes, and man, those bees tore me up bad. I was just taking I was just going to feed them or do something stupid. Between hunting trips, or between the morning and evening hunt, I went out there and I think I don't know, I was going to feed them. I thought they would be grateful. Like as soon as I pull the food out, they're going to be thankful. No, they're not. And they stung through all of my gloves, everything that I had. That was one of the worst. That's one of the times I had to actually run and get in my truck and drive off. And I left the hive wide open. But it was bad. I didn't have a smoker.